Dalawang taong naghahanap. And finally, nakita na rin.
Always positive when it comes to rejection. Ay, okay lang yan. Marami pa. Marami pang darating kahit ma-reject ako.
My name is Richard Arpal, person junior, 18 years old.
You know how I love to complain.
Sobra naman yung dumating na rejection sa akin. Mas madaming magaling sa akin. Especially yung sa Starstruck. What do I don't have na meron sila? There was a time na talagang umayaw na ako.
Secret ultimate dream ko nga tinawag yan. Paano naman ako maging artista? Wala naman akong talent, wala naman akong ano.
Ako si Maine Mendoza at ako ang pinakabagong aabangan nyo araw-araw.
I was just told by the Itbulaga staff, "Oh, Alden, ano ka lang, sama ka lang namin sa One for All. Nood ka lang." And then, that single moment, dun na nag-snap lahat. Tuloy-tuloy na. Talagang never give up eh. Yun yung siguro yung lesson ng buhay ko talaga.
Nakakagulat po. Biglang nandito na po ako. Masaya po, masaya. Hindi ko po inaakalang mangyayari sa akin. Single ka ngayon.
Yes. Malamang wala ba?
Anong qualities na hinahanap?
Oo. Maalaga. Malambing.
Sa babae, yung naka-yellow na damit, saka yung may bag na pink. Basta po mabait, saka marunong mag-alaga.
Yaya, gusto ko.
Yaya, pwede po.
In God's time din siguro nalapit siya. Pero as of now, wala.
Diyos ko sana, hopefully, love life is 2015. Kung may dumating, why not?
God gave me you to show me what's real.
When you think about that ultimate happiness, that's wala na problema. Everything's stress-free. You're just relaxed. I can't explain it. That's what this happiness I'm looking for is hard to find. Hindi ko ma-explain kung ano siya. Ang first impression ko kay Maine talaga is a very fun person. Very always gives out everything. Tapos parang ano siya eh, very lively. Parang walang dull moment pag kasama mo siya.
In your arms, I'm someone new. With every tender kiss from you, oh, must confess, I've been blessed. God gave me you to show me what's real.
Maine,
There's more to
salamat sa'yo. Ang layo na nung narating natin.
and all that I was,
Dalawang taong naghahanap. And finally, nakita na rin.
all that I live for, though I didn't
Alden, alam mo,
know I do.
pinagdasal ko talaga tong araw na to. Dami nang nagbago sa buhay natin. Dami nang nangyari. Pero may mga bagay pa rin hindi magbabago. Ikaw at ako.
Ang tagal kong hinintay itong chance na to. To say that God gave me you.
Ganon din naman yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo eh. God gave me you.